Did you know camels can survive extreme heat? But what makes them truly special? They're called the ship of the desert. Their bodies are built for survival. In the scorching heat, they can drink up to 40 gallons. But here's the twist. They can go days without water. In fact, they can lose up to 25% of their body weight. Their unique physiology allows them to conserve water. But how do they handle sandstorms? They close their nostrils and protect their eyes. These creatures are a symbol of endurance. They've been vital for trade routes for centuries. These majestic animals can carry heavy loads. They are friends to nomads across deserts. But their future faces challenges. We must protect these incredible creatures. Thanks for watching Story Toons Land. Please like and subscribe.